The Cows and the Lions. A short story. 5 cows lived in a little forest. They ate fresh grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together, so the lions couldn't attack them for food. One day the 5 cows fought and each one started to eat grass in a different place. The lions decided to seize the opportunity and killed them one by one. Moral of this story is, unity is the strength.